All right, I have a white base coat on the canvas, and I've got a lot of like lagoon colors, you know, the turquoises and the aquas, and I've got gold. I will put the specific colors in the description, but I have an abstract composition in mind, so I'm going to go for that. Well, this came out so cool that I didn't do half of what I did half of what I was planning to do. I just didn't do swipes. And I was gonna do the swipes up here, but look at the effects that happened here. I really did not want to disrupt this. Just came out so cool. But I did the comb effect. I wanted that in here in a certain places. Look how lovely. So yeah, I'm quite pleased with the composition, and I'm just going to let that be. That was something. All right, I hope you enjoyed that as much as I enjoyed it. Okay, bye-bye.